Hello guys, this is Dolores. I'm working on my crochet new pattern here. You can see it's not perfect because this is a very old yarn someone gave me from her grandmother, and it's so hard to make it straight, guys. It's not bad, you know. I'm still using it. I don't want to waste the yarn. Anyway, this is what I'm making right now. My new stitch. That I need to trim this part, but still good, guys. Anyway, that's my new design. I've been working on new pattern, new design, because I'm gonna be making clothes for my mannequin. It's gonna be a big clothes, you know, like old fashioned clothes I'm working on. So I'm making a different design, but I can use it for like a lace, kind of like a lace trim on the edges of the clothes. So trying to figure out a new design for me, my own design. This is my new design that I've been working on. Today, and then yeah, different kind I'm working on. It's not perfect, this one, because like I said, it's very old. This yarn, very old. I'm gonna trim this part. I said it again, so yeah. So I like making my own design, guys. So yeah, I don't have a new color. I'm just using all my old yarn right now. Someone gave me, I think 2 years ago, 3 years ago. My leftover, I've been using it. Anyway, that's all for today. It's fun to make own design, guys. You know, we can learn our own design skills doing crochet. Okay guys, thank you for watching this story.